Join our flying club. 3 of us are actually flying live now. We fly 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Mel on the left and Yvonne beside him. Next is Robert and Joe. We are flying DJI NEO2s at the moment and using DJI Goggles 3 with a Motion 3 controller. Let's see where the guys are flying. 2 screens are stabilized with camera cockpit pit view. The other 2 display nearby obstacles in the bottom center, and they also display various flight instruments.